because I know exactly what you're being honest.
What else I can take off? What else I can take off?
Hammer off the...
What else?
Yeah.
Just see which one you want. Just ask me if you can.
Can I take two?
I need number 10.
Dad, can I take 3 of these bolts off?
Yeah, take them off.
This really work.
Dad, I need this. Dad, can you remove this pipe?
This is a very difficult sensor to remove. Yeah, I could remove it.
Can you remove this?
Yeah.
Right over here. I think you can remove it to remove that bolt. Thanks.
You're welcome. You can get it now? You have to aim correctly.
Oh, look, there's something going out.
It's fine.
Gosh, Dad!
I can't.
Try to help me on something like this? All these toolboxes are closing!
Like this. Why did they make these clips so difficult? Are you kidding me? Okay, Jason.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome. Hold on. If that's in the way, that means this turbo is in the way. So we have to first remove the turbo. See if you could remove that bolt. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay that it's failed. So here's turbo actuator, and here's the turbo. So to remove it, you have to actually remove this bolt. Is it the same? It's a little different. Here, just hold it.
See, this engine is gone. You'll freak yourself out. You look at the parking.
Jason, you're funny. Okay, Jason, can we move this chair out of here? Because to remove the turbo, we gotta go from the back. Jason, this chair is messing me up. Here's a turbo hold down bracket. They're different?
Yeah.
They're the same.
But some of them are different.
Man, that turbo is difficultly installed.
Yeah.
The bolts are very hard to get to. Did you know that, Jason? This is crazy. They got bolts from the back, from the front. It's interesting how these wires, they go in between there like that. Like, and you would think, was there any other way to do this? Wow, that's interesting. All right, so there's the seal port. Just lay it right here. Now let's see what's left. And really, we had these sensors here. I'm thinking, really? They have to stick them through there? No other way to do this? And that last sensor. It's not an easy one to remove. It's got two tabs. I may have to use two flatheads or something. Actually, my kids have already almost disconnected this. Let's just go ahead and actually remove the rest of it. Holy jar system. And now I could see that that's going to be a wanted part. Brakes easy. I could have taken it off, but something I missed. It's not that important right now. Just want to see what I'm doing back here. This still does not make it easy. Like, how hard can it be to remove the sensor? Jeez. And it's not easy. Okay, so I gotta get something that can kind of hook it from the back. Oh, that's not good. I didn't even squeeze hard on it, but apparently it just all fell apart. So there's that. So it plugs into this here. I know what it is, but I forgot the word for it. Oh yeah, wire and harness is removed. I'm just gonna put it here for now.